you come in, you're buying a life experience.
We anticipated their needs, that we talked to them about what they really wanted, and we made their dream come true.
Everybody deserves a quality product on their home.
We're a natural stone business where we help people love their homes. Manufacture, install, and supply all kinds of products, including natural stones.
Every kitchen is different. Every person is looking for something different. So when I design a kitchen, even if I've seen the same sort of space over and over, each person is looking for something different, so the kitchen is different.
We offer installation of siding, vinyl, and composite. We also do replacement windows, doors, roofs, decks, attic insulation, and e-shield.
So you might come into Marmiro and you're just expecting to get some tiles for your bathroom. Or you might come into Marmiro with just that pool project and not realize that we have interior as well.
When you take on projects like this, it's a long process. So you spend a lot of time with people and you really get to know them. And I think that that's probably one of the most rewarding parts of the job for me.
From start to finish, from the first phone call, that moment of truth, to when the project's completed, every step of the way, we hold the hands of the customers.
It truly, truly is a family-owned business. And when you bring Marmiro into your home, you're now part of our family.
Getting to see the finished product is awesome.